I got off work. There's no rush. Take your time. I say this because I might be late when I pick you up. No, I'm stuck in traffic. I'm sorry. I was hoping I could see you sooner. I managed to finish work early only to get caught in rush hour. Yes, but I would much rather keep it that way. I was stuck in traffic for 4 hours once. I'm worried. You might have to wait that long. It was a long time ago. And I did tell you about it. It wasn't in person, however. I posted photos of the traffic jam on social media that day. Yes, and that's precisely why I called you this time. Back then, I thought about contacting you, but I didn't know how to bring it up. I also believed I didn't have a good reason to bother you. Yes, I'm getting better at it too. For instance, aren't you hungry right now? You could also check your left pocket. I put a few pieces of chocolate in there. Did you find them? I left them there yesterday. I was concerned you might forget to eat when you're busy. Who knew they'd come in handy? What is there to envy? Oh, I was always just your doctor friend. I see. What are you talking about? Indeed. Being stuck in traffic won't be boring anymore. I can't help but feel excited thinking I'm about to see you.
仕事が終わった。急ぐことはない。ゆっくりやってくれ。こちらが遅れるかもしれないからな。いや、渋滞で動けないんだ。すまない。早く会いたかったのだがな。仕事が早く終わったのに、帰宅ラッシュの渋滞にはまってしまうとは。確かに。まあ、あまりしなくてもいい体験のような気もするが、この前は4時間足止めを食らった。またそうなっては、お前をかなり待たせることになってしまう。かなり前だ。面と向かって言ったわけじゃないが、お前にも一応伝えたぞ。あの日の渋滞の間、私は SNS に写真をアップした。ああ。だから今、そうしている。あの時も、お前に電話しようとしたんだ。だが、何を話せばいいかわからず、浮き足立ってしまってな。そうだな。熟練してきたのかもしれない。例えば、今、腹は空いていないか？それか、左ポケットを確認してみてくれ。チョコレートを入れたはずだ。あったか？昨日入れておいたんだ。お前が食事をとるのを忘れた時のために。役に立ちそうでよかった。彼らが何を羨ましがるんだ？そうか。私は医者の友達に過ぎないと。晩ご飯？ああ、そうだな。これで退屈せずに済みそうだ。すぐに会えると思ったら、心が躍る。
나 퇴근했어. 급하지 않으니까 천천히 와. 데리러 가려면 시간이 좀 걸릴 것 같거든. 아니야. 길이 막혀서 그래. 미안해. 일찍 만날 수 있을 줄 알았는데 일이 일찍 끝나니까 딱 차가 제일 막힐 시간이네. 그렇긴 하지만 자주 겪고 싶진 않아. 예전에 제일 심하게 막혔을 땐 4시간이 걸렸거든. 네가 오래 기다려야 할지도 몰라. 좀 됐어. 그리고 너한테 얘기했었어. 만나서 얘기하진 않았지만 그날 막힌 도로 위에서 SNS에 사진을 올렸었어. 그래서 지금 통화하고 있잖아. 그때는 너한테 연락을 하고 싶긴 했는데 어떻게 말을 꺼내야 할지 몰랐어. 왠지 떳떳하지 못한 느낌이었어. 음. 그리고 점점 더 능숙해지고 있어. 예를 들면 혹시 지금 배고파? 음. 그리고 왼쪽 주머니에 손 넣어봐. 초콜릿 몇 개 넣어뒀는데 찾았어? 혹시 네가 바빠서 밥도 못 먹을까 봐 어제 넣어뒀는데 이렇게 쓸모가 있을 줄 몰랐네? 뭘 부러워하는데? 아, 난 그냥 의사 친구였구나. 뭘 먹고 싶냐고? 음, 차 막히는 것도 전혀 따분하지 않아. 곧 만날 수 있다는 생각에 벌써 기대되기 시작했거든.
我下班了，不急，慢慢来就好。因为我可能晚点才能接你。没有，是堵在路上了。抱歉，原本是想早点见面，没想到工作室提前结束了，晚高峰也赶上了。确实难得，但还是少体验为好。毕竟之前最久堵了4个小时，这次担心你也会等很久。有点早了，而且其实也告诉你了，虽然不是面对面说的。那天在堵车期间，我有发图片的朋友圈。所以现在就在打着。至于那时候，我确实也有想过找你，但不知道怎么开口，总觉得不够心安理得。会了，并且越来越熟练了。比如，现在饿了吗？也可以摸摸左手边的口袋，放了几块巧克力，找到了吗？昨天顺手留的，怕你忙起来忘了吃饭，没想到刚好派上了用场。羡慕什么？哦，原来我只是医生朋友。吃点什么？甚至堵车也不无聊了。一想到马上见面，我已经开始期待了。